Today we're going to show you a quick tip of how to use ribbon and flowers that you might just have laying around. We're going to show you real quick. We're going to make a sort of like a halo. So you want to scrunch it here because this is about how much you're going to need. And how you determine that is how you're going to use it on a basket or wherever you're going to use it. So we're just going to play by ear here. We're going to go this way. You're going to use your glue gun and you're going to take your little pieces of flowers, put a little small roll of hot glue here, and just as quickly as you can do it, don't get burned, just attach your little pieces of flowers to the ribbon, just like that. And then do another piece like this, attach some more. And you don't have to be real particular because you can overlap these and then you won't even see any little mistakes that you think you have made, but it's very hard to make a mistake with one of these. Just going to keep going like this, some more glue. And again, when you're using the glue, if you'll give it a spin, you won't get all those cobwebs in there that are so hard to get out, and they look funny anyway. So we're going to do it like this, some more glue like this, a little bit more here, some other flowers. And when you're cutting this off, I'll show you real quick how to do that. When you're cutting flowers off of a larger piece, for this ribbon floral design, you want to cut as close as you can to the bloom, not the stem. The stem is not going to do you any good. It's going to be in your way. So you just want to go like this. And once you've attached all the flowers that you want to attach, then you can go back and fill in the places that you think are not covered enough. So you just dot some more glue on there. It's best to do it on the flower this time because then you don't have all that glue going every which way. So you just go like this, attach this here. There's one that didn't quite get done right. So just cut it, come back across, add a little bit more hot glue, and add it just like that. And if you want to add a couple of more pieces, you can certainly do so, just like that. Okay? It dries pretty quick, so you're almost finished. If you have a large piece like this, again, in your little scrap box, please use it, cut some blooms off, and you can see how beautiful it looks. And you're going to make a whole new item that is very, very sellable. Now what you can do is attach it to your basket. We'll put just a little bit of glue there just to hold it, just like this. And you can see how beautiful this plain white basket has become. Normally this would probably be a flower girl basket, or you could use it for favors or place card holders, or you could use it for an Easter basket or birthday present, whatever you want it to do. Come back around this way. You could add more ribbons to the side if you'd like to. And there's your ribbon flower enhancement. Now let me show you a couple of other things you can do with these. This is one we did here. A lot of times when we do party work, we don't have too much money to use, so we try to come up with different things that will help the budget along. So I made this one. We just attached it, brought it around 2 times, very carefully bring it around to the edge. It depends on your glass, on your vase, how large you want to make these. Then you can just simply tie another bow to the top here, like this. Add your candle to the bottom. Make sure that you use a battery-operated candle and not one with the flame. Okay, so you've got a pretty little centerpiece there. You attach it real good, it won't slip down like that. Okay, so there you have a nice little centerpiece that you can use on your tables. Here's the little smaller one that I have made. It's a little bit daintier than the other ones. And you can do this to maybe you have a couple of plush in your shop and you just want to make a little change to it. You can just tie it on the little baby's neck like this. This is real cute. The little flower girl can either carry it or you can just use it as a beautiful gift like this. We're going to use it for the flower girl and we're going to attach it here. Now it's very hard because a lot of times we say, well, we don't know, what size she might need. It's okay. If you add enough ribbon to it, it's very adjustable. That she can use it up high or she could use it down low like this. And this is the back. And then you take another little piece and you want to attach it because you want to have some streamers hanging down. Just a simple little bow, just tie a knot right here. And you hardly sometimes don't even need bobby pins to hold this in because it's so adjustable. And it's a wonderful idea because it's easy. You don't have to worry about fresh flowers. You can make it weeks ahead of time, and you have a wonderful little product here that you can add to your wedding budget. Thank you. I hope you've enjoyed it. And if you have any questions, if you'll contact us here at Burton Burton, we'd be glad to answer any questions that you might have. Thank you.